Hello, everyone. In this video, we will show you how to read files from Google Drive and send them to Salesforce. Introduction. The Google Drive is a cloud storage service that enables you to store files and access them from anywhere. With SKYVVA, we can transfer data directly from Google Drive to Salesforce by using the SKYVVA Google Connector. This connector allows you to push data from Google Drive automatically, do it manually, or set the scheduler from our Google Control Board. You can push your data to Salesforce from any file format, such as CSV, XML, and JSON. Moreover, you can push files as attachments, such as PDF, image, or video, etc. Now, let's start. Navigate to the Integration tab. Click on the existing integration. And then click on the Interface tab. Since we have already created an inbound interface, click on the interface details. In the interface, ensure the source name contains account object. Link it with a message type, set the inbound direction, and choose the operation type as upsert. Once you have configured these settings, click on Open Mapping. On the Mapping tool, we have to map some fields. This function allows you to drag and drop the field you want. In this step, we have already demonstrated in a previous video. After mapping some fields, click Save the Mapping. So, navigate to the Create Adapter. Go to the Integration detail. Click on the Google Control Board. Then click on the Adapter tab. On the Adapter tab, you can see we have some buttons such as Refresh, Create New, Restore Adapter, Backup to Adapter, and Transport to another org. On this tab, we display the list of the adapter and also have some action icons as the start or stop consumer using for consume file. Where to use means it shows which interface is linked with that adapter. Ping connection is using for ping connection adapter. View shows adapter properties you have configured. Edit, you can update that adapter. Deleted, you also can delete adapter. Test is used for the test connection adapter. This button allows you to view the payload records in the file configured in the adapter. Here is the response payload that was read from the Google Drive. So, now we will show you the configuration of the adapter. Click Edit the adapter. On the adapter, you need to input name, select Google Drive type, direction that has inbound and outbound. For this case, we show you how to read a file from Google Drive, so we select the inbound direction. Set the active status. On the property adapter, consumer status, we have disabled the Not Allow Edit property, which controls the buttons for starting and stopping consume. Authentication type, we have two options, OAuth 2.0 and Service Account. We're using OAuth 2. OAuth 2.0 flow. You can use the refresh token or the authorization code. And input the OAuth 2.0 client ID, client secret, refresh token, and that code you can get from the Google Cloud Console. If you're not clear how to get it, you can check the Google document. For the API URL prefix and token endpoint URL, we automatically input them for you. So you need to use them to create a remote site on Salesforce. File type. We support CSV, XML, JSON, and binary. Now we use the CSV file type. For the CSV type, you have set the separator and check has file header or has quote space on your file. Input folder ID and input file name. What to do with a file after processing? You can select Delete File, Backup File, or Keep File. Delete File. Remove the file after processing from the drive. When deleted, the file is moved to the trash folder, replicating the behavior of you directly deleting a file from the drive, which temporarily places it in the trash folder. Backup File. Move the file to another folder after processing. Keep File. Retain the file after processing. The polling time interval in minutes. This setting automatically triggers the Google API to read data from the drive after clicking the Start Consumer button. The API will be called based on the interval specified in this field. For example, if the value is set to 5, data will be read every 5 minutes. The minimum interval is 2. After configuring the property, click Save the adapter. So then you can test ping connection adapter. Hear the message after ping successfully. Then navigate to the interface and link the adapter to the interface. Before processing, go to view the file on the Google Drive first. Here are the folders and files. You can view the file here. Here is our CSV payload. Now go to Google Control Board.
Click on the Interface tab.
Here is the interface that we have linked with adapter. Tick the interface and click Interface Processing to read the file from Google Drive and push to Salesforce. Then click Push button. To read the file, you can use the scheduler or the consumer file from the adapter. Here is the scheduler setting. You can set the time to reading file from Google Drive. And also can click the Starting the Consumer here. After processing is completed, go to Verify Message Monitoring. Click on the Message Monitoring tab. Click Search button. You will observe a file message with the comment file message and business message creative account. Then click on the message detail. On the message detail of file message, get the comment file message. The business message of the account have comment, creation of account, and you can see the value iData here. The business message of the contact have comment, creation of contact, and you can see the value iData here. Click on Account as Subject to verify the record in Salesforce. Here are the records that we have read from the CSV file in the Google Drive. Currently, we are reading the CSV file type and referencing the binary file. We are utilizing the same integration and interface. Navigate to the Edit the Adapter. The file type still CSV. Enable the binary file option. And you will notice the need to add additional properties. These properties include the binary folder ID and the input field referenced in the CSV file. Here is the folder binary file. Here is the reference field name. Click Save Adapter after adding these properties. Here is the CSV file in Google Drive. The reference field in CSV file is attachment name. So, go to Processing the Interface. Click on Interface Processing to read the file and process it for pushing to Salesforce. After processing is completed, go to Verify Message Monitoring. Click on the Message Monitoring tab and click the Search button. You will observe a file message with the comment file message and business message modification of account. Then click on the message detail. On the message detail, the root message, get the comment file message. The business message of the account have comment modification of account, and you can see the value iData here. Click on the account as subject to verify the records in Salesforce. These are the records retrieved from the CSV file, along with the reference field containing the attachment binary file in the account object, obtained from Google Drive. Currently, in this step, we are reading the XML file type. We are still using the same integration and interface. Navigate to Adapter, edit the adapter. Change the file type to XML, and input the file name. Here is the XML file. And click Save Adapter. So go to Processing the Interface. Click on Interface Processing to read the file and process it for pushing to Salesforce. Go to Verify the Message again. You will observe a new message of File Message with the comment file message and business message. The message display is partial completed because some field requirements are missing in the payload. Then click on the message detail. On the message detail, the root message, get the comment file message. The business message of the account have comment creation of account, and you can see the value iData here. For the business message of contact status failed because we are missing the field last name. You can see the comment on the error here. You can update the value of last name in the iData and click the Reprocess button to process that message again. For some business message status green, it means process completed. Click on Account as Subject to verify the record in Salesforce. Here are the records that we have read from the XML file in the Google Drive. Currently, in the step, we're using the JSON file type. Navigate to Adapter. Click Edit the adapter. Change the file type to JSON and input the file name. Here is the JSON file in Google Drive. After input file name, click Save Adapter. So, go to Processing the Interface. Click on Interface Processing to read the file and process it for pushing to Salesforce. After processing, navigate to Verify the Message Monitoring. You will observe a new message with the comment file message and business message creative account. Then click on the message detail. On the root message, get the comment with file message. The business message of the account have comment, creation of account, creative contact, and you can see the value iData here. Click on Account as Subject to verify the record in Salesforce. Here are the records that we have read from the JSON file in the Google Drive. Currently, this is the last step. We are reading the binary format from Google Drive. This involves reading the binary file from Google Drive and sending it to Salesforce using the content version object. So, navigate to the Interface tab. You need to create the new interface for using the content version object, since we have created the interface already. So, click on the interface detail. In the interface, ensure the source name contains content version object. Link it with the message type. Set the inbound direction and choose the operation type as upsert. Once you have configured these settings, click on Open Mapping. In the Mapping tool, we need to map certain fields. This function enables you to drag and drop the desired fields. The required fields in content version are title and version data, base 64, which need to be mapped. Next, we set the content version to look up the parent account by its ID. For this, we use a formula and set a static value in that field. As an example, we look up the content version to account parent. Here is the ID of account records. After mapping some fields, click Save the Mapping. Navigate to the Google Control Board and click on the Adapter tab. For instance, on the Adapter tab, we have created an adapter. So click Edit to verify the configuration. For the setting, the adapter property is the same as in the previous case. But modify the file type to binary, the input folder ID, and the file name. Here is the folder store of the binary file, such as image, docs, PDF, etc. For the file name, we have using regex to find every file that starts with 003 and has any file extension. Once configured, click Save for the adapter. Then navigate to the interface and link the adapter to the interface. Now go to Google Control Board, click on the Interface tab. And you can see the interface that is linked with the adapter here. Tick the interface. And click Interface Processing to read the file from Google Drive and push to Salesforce. After the processing is completed, proceed to verify the message monitoring. Click on the Message Monitoring tab and click the Search button, where you will see a new message with a comment, File Message, and the business message, Create of Content Version. Then click on the message detail. In the root message, you will find the comment file message. The business message of the content version will have the comment, Creation of Content Version, and you can view the value, iData here. While we are using the wildcard, it gets 2 files, so it processes those files and gets 2 messages monitoring. Currently, navigate to view the account record that we have used in the content version to look up the parent ID of the account. Here are the files and attachments, which are the binary files that we read and sent from Google Drive. although we have 3 options for using the Google Drive interface to import and read files. From the above case, we have demonstrated the interface processing, which means our action is manual and on demand. Currently, we show you the scheduler, which is based on the scheduled time. Navigate to the Scheduler tab. On the Scheduler tab, we have 3 sections: Scheduler per integration, Scheduler per interface group, Scheduler per interface. Currently, we setting the time for Scheduler interface and click Stated the Scheduler. After starting the scheduler, you can see the submitted time, scheduled start time, and next scheduled run time directly on the scheduler display. After the scheduler running, it will read the file from Google Drive and push it to Salesforce. After the process finishes, check the message monitoring screen. Click Search to view the newly created file message. Here is the message monitoring while using the scheduler processing. We have already demonstrated the scheduler processing. Now, we'll show you the consumer option on the adapter, which allows for real-time file consumption. Navigate to the Adapter tab. Here is the consumer action. Click Edit and update the file name on the adapter. We are using a regex, regular expression, pattern with extensions to allow the adapter to read multiple files from the folder. Here is the file in the folder. We have 3 XML file types. For the property, what to do with the file after processing, we select Backup File to another folder. If the trigger of the consumer finds the file still in the same folder, it will reread the same file. Then save the adapter. So click on the Start Consumer action. It will alert the message Google Drive Adapter Consumer Process started. After a 2-minute delay, based on the polling time interval in minutes property, the system automatically triggers the Google API to read data from Google Drive and push it to Salesforce. After the process finishes, check the message monitoring screen. Click Search to view the newly created file message. Here is the message monitoring while using the event consumer action. After the consumer file is all ready, here is the folder in Google Drive that will be moved to another folder while processed. To summarize, in this video, we demonstrated how to read various data types from Google Drive, including CSV, XML, JSON, and binary files, such as images, as attachments. We also covered post-processing behaviors and showed how to send data to Salesforce using manual processing, scheduled intervals, and real-time consumer actions. Finally, we verified the results after the processing was complete. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.